Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to attach a file to your Teams invite. First, open your Teams application and you will see a screen like this and select the calendar from your left side corner. If you couldn't find the calendar here, you don't need to worry about it. Go down and select these three drops and type calendar here, and if it will appear and you can select that one. And once you select it, you can also see a calendar option like this, and click the calendar and you can see all your invites here. So the invites you want to upload a file, you can select that one. Make sure to double click and you get an expanded view. Once you get expanded view, you can see a few options your top bar and select the file option. And once you select the file option, you can see I already uploaded one file, so I'm going to upload another one. Select upload from your local device, or if you have files in cloud, select the cloud. So I'm uploading from my local device, so upload from this device option. I'm selecting that and selecting a file from here and open. So I'm going to replace it since already I uploaded one file. So that's it, our end of video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos.